Hey guys, I'm John Setzler. Welcome back to the Kamado Joe cooking channel. Today we're going to add one more pizza to our repertoire, and we're going to put together a really quick 2-ingredient pizza dough and cook it on the Kamado Joe. So let's get started. We're going to get started today. I've lit a fire in the center of the firebox of my Kamado Joe Classic, and I'm going to put my accessory rack in here, put both halves of the heat deflector on there. If you don't want to do that, you can bring the heat deflectors up onto the grill grates. We're going to be cooking today at about 475 to 500. So I'm just going to set up just like this. I'm going to set my pizza stone right there, and we're going to let the grill, like I said, come up to around 475 to 500 degrees. While our grill's warming up, we're going to make this a dough. And like I said, this is a 2-ingredient dough, and we're going to start out with our first ingredient, which is 1.5 cups of self-rising flour, and then we're going to add 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. And I'm just going to get my spoon here, and we're going to kind of get that started. And I'm probably going to get in here with my hand, and we're going to mix this up and turn this into a dough ball. And after I get that combined mostly, we're going to turn it out here onto my board, and I'm going to work this, and we're just going to kind of knead this together. And we're going to knead it for 5 to 7 minutes until I get that really into a nice dough ball. And once I get that together into a nice dough ball, we're going to let that rest for about 15 minutes while our grill finishes coming up to temperature. And while nobody was looking, I went ahead and spread out our pizza dough on a 12-inch pizza pan. And the next thing I want to do is just to add a little bit of sauce. And once I get the sauce on, I'm going to add a little bit of shredded mozzarella. And I'm going to kind of get that spread nice and evenly on there. And then I'll finish that off with a little bit of pepperoni and some mushroom. So now we're ready to bring that to the grill. Okay, my grill's running right at 450. So we're going to slide that bad boy right on there and let it cook. And I'm figuring 10 to 12 minutes, so we'll be back. Okay guys, we've been going right at about 15 minutes now. This guy's looking pretty good. So we're going to take it off and check it out. Man, that thing's looking pretty good for a quick pizza. We'll have to have a quick taste. Alright guys, time for a little taste of this. Not bad. For a quick under 1 hour pizza, you can't beat this. That dough has a different kind of flavor to it. It's not like our homemade doughs that we've made in the past, but you've got to give this a try. Let me know what you think. Join us on Facebook, facebook.com/KamadoJoe. Follow us on Twitter @KamadoJoe. And until next time, I'm John Setzler with Kamado Joe Cooking Channel.